guys, we are back with another video, and today we are going to be checking out Take Me to Another Useless Website. You got that right, chump. No, you got that right. So, let's just do this. Sell me something weird or confusing. Okay, we randomly clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, we got a video. Okay, it looks like he's in a trailer. Pretty nice one. Oh my god, this is gonna go on forever. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. I'll try that again. Please enter a password. 536. Yeah. Yes. Okay, what is this, boy? My god, Gucci. Hustling? I'll delete this. Oh my god. Get me out of this. Okay, there's nothing to do with this website. Bury me with money.
Marry me with my money.
Okay, sir. I'll try, sir.
Marry me with my money.
I thought it said marry me. How do I bury you, sir? Sir! Random color, nah. Oh, yes. Oh, flashing lights. Flashing lights. If you, yeah, okay. You see my eyes? Okay, this is the last one. Aw, stick that down. Dun 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 dun. Dun. I'm gonna get demonetized. Ooh, yes, dude. I love doing this. Guys, let's see how much we can get, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's do this thing. Let's make them so we can't see them ever again. Oh, it's a picture! Get all these big ones out of the way. Looks like a panda. I don't know its name, but like it has ears and it's like pretty slow. A koala? I call it a panda. Ah, that's a koala. I was about to say kiwi for a second. I like this. But the dots never end. We didn't complete the picture, but that's all good. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you're new, and subscribe for these kittens, because they want you to subscribe. Subscribe now. Okay, guys, go check out Fire Alarm Simulator. It's pretty popular these days. I might make some merch saying 444 on it. See you guys in the future. Is that right, Timmy? Yes. Okay, bye. I clicked the wrong thing.